Hey guys, Tim here from Concise Tech. So I got this new Nintendo OLED Switch here. This is the model that came out in October of 2021. So basically I want to show you here today what comes in the box and give you my first take on it. You can use this the same way. It shows here tabletop mode, TV mode docked, and then handheld like this. So you get, the OLED screen, which is the big upgrade on this model. The kickstand's also upgraded. This is the device right here. So yeah, nice OLED screen. It's decent size. You can see kind of on my hand here. This also has the upgraded kickstand end. This flips out on the back here. So this has a nice bit of resistance to this, so you can really fine tune kind of how far you want that. So you can set that up, and that allows you to use that in that tabletop mode, very easily. And it's very versatile that way. You're also going to get the JoyCons. They come in this white version, or you can get the red and blue, kind of like the traditional Switch. So you get those. When you're not using those docked, they come with these pieces also that will slide in, and they basically give you the buttons then for the kind of top pieces. So these little buttons right here, it'll give you a little button then, so you can use those separately like that. So you get the two of those. This allows you to dock these into the actual dock here, and that'll give you kind of more like a traditional controller type feel. So it's nice because then you can have something to actually grab onto in the palm of your hand there, and that's nice for using this in docked mode or in tabletop mode. You could use it like this as well and then be gaming with this piece. They do give you an HDMI cable, so I did not need that because I already had one, so I just have this still packaged up here. What you're going to use that with is the dock here. So there's an HDMI out right there, so when you're using this in docked mode, you can just plug that into there and then plug that into your TV, and then you're going to be able to play it on the TV. So that's really nice. You do need to have this plugged in then. It needs power in order to support that, so they give you this adapter as well. You can use this to charge it. This is basically just your Type-C USB cable. So you can use that directly on the device. So if you're traveling or something and you don't bring the dock, you can just go straight into that Type-C port. Otherwise, this will charge your device and then allow you to dock it. So you can use that right there. And then the new thing with this too is this has a built-in LAN port. So you can just go directly into that for the best internet connection possible. So that is an upgrade from the traditional Switch as well. And then this piece just clips back on there to kind of cover all that up. So when you have it in the docked mode, this is kind of the dock. It's got a couple USB slots right there for other accessories and that too. But if you close this up, basically you stick this in here and that will go into place and you'll have it in dock mode. So I'm very happy with this so far, guys. I've got a bunch of games I've got and tried out with this lately, but it is really cool. It's very portable, just like the original Switch. You get an upgraded OLED screen, though, on this one. The kickstand is improved, and then you get the built-in LAN port on this for the Switch and the dock. It's a great upgrade. I'm very happy with it. I would definitely say get it if you are checking it out. They're right now kind of hard to keep in stock, it seems like. But yeah, definitely check it out, guys. I'm definitely not regretting this purchase.